Now the next question in exercise first, represent the following symbolically. The first question, ray QS. First QS we have to write, ray means ray symbol we have to take, QS ray. This represent QS ray. Here ray MN, first we have to write MN ray symbol we have to take, MN ray. This is the representation of ray MN symbolically. Now identify the fixed point in each of the following. Fixed point we have to tell. RS, in RS what is the fixed point? The initial point is the fixed point. The initial point is fixed point R. The fixed point is R. Here what is the fixed point in PQ? P, initial point is the fixed point. P is our fixed point. Okay. Initial point in array means the starting point, the starting alphabet, the starting letter. So that is the fixed point. Okay. In RS, R is a fixed point. In PQ, P is a fixed point. Okay. Now the next concept, angle. So what is an angle? What is an angle? So here the definition for angle. When two rays meet at a common point, an angle is formed. An angle is formed. Here two rays. So here this is one ray OX. OX is one ray and OY is another ray. When these two rays meet at a common point, O, then angle will form. So what will form? Here angle will form. This complete is our angle. This is our angle portion. Okay. This is the angle. Okay. This portion is the angle. Okay. When two rays OX and OY meet at a common point, then angle is formed. Here OX and OY are these two rays. These two rays meet at a common point O, then we form an angle. So then what is the angle? This complete portion is our angle. So this represents angle. Okay, this represents angle. Then here how to represent angle using alphabets? Using alphabets we can represent angle XOY. This is angle symbol. Angle XOY. We have to keep this angle, this common point in the middle. So we have to write the common point in the middle. Okay, like XOY, or angle YOX. XOY or YOX. And you have same only. Or if you want to take angle O, it is also correct. So if you want to represent the angle using three alphabets, then how to write? So the common vertex, the common point we have to take in the middle, and we have to take the alphabets XOY, angle XOY, otherwise angle YOX. So we should take the common point in the middle. Or if you want to take only the common vertex, how to represent angle? This angle O, angle YOX, angle XOY. The three are same. The three representations are correct. Okay. Now angle measured in units. So like weight is measured in kilograms, and liquid measured in liters, and distance measured in centimeters, meters, kilometers. So all have some units. So in the same way, here the angles, measuring these angles, we have some units. So angle is always measured in degrees, not temperature. Temperature is also measured in degrees, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, all that, degrees Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, degree, so Kelvin, all that. So units were there. So in the same, angles are measured in degrees. So these degrees are different angle. So here 90, so how to represent? Suppose 90, here small circle, if you take small circle upside, this is 90 degrees. How to read? Read as 90 degrees, 90 degrees. If suppose 75, small dot is there, small circle is there, then how to read? 75 degrees, 75 degrees. This is the representation of angle. Angles are measured in degrees, and how to write the degrees? 90 degrees, small circle we have to take a small, like 90 degrees. How to read this one? 90 degrees, and this one 75 degrees. Okay, this is about angle. So what is an angle? So the intersection, if two rays intersect at a common point, at common vertex, then you will form an angle. Like OX and OY, these two rays intersect at common point, then we form an angle XOY or YOX or angle O we formed. Okay. Then after that, classification of angles. So how many types of angles are there? Here basically we have 4 or 5 types of angles were there. First, acute angle. What is acute angle? If the angle between the two rays is less than 90 degrees, if the angle between these two rays is less than 90 degrees, then that is acute angle. If the angle between the two rays is less than 90 degrees means till 89. So then the angle is called acute angle. Angle between the two rays. So angle between the two rays is 90 degrees, then that is acute angle. After that, right angle. How the acute angle is? If two arms, so these are the two arms, this is first arm, this is second arm, these two arms, then how we can say that without calculating either the angle is acute or not. If this is one fixed arm, this is the rotatory arm, if your arm is like this, not exactly in L shape, so it is less than L shape, then that is acute, like this, less than. If it is in L shape, then it is not acute. Still it is in less than in L shape, then that is acute. If the two arms, the gap between the two arms is less than L shape, then that is acute angle. So here it is less than L shape, like this. So it is acute. This is also less than. If you take like this, then you get L shape. So all these arms are less than L shape. So acute angle shapes. Then right angle. Right angle means angle between the two arms is 90 degrees, then that is right angle. If whatever the arms are in L shape, so when two arms are in L shape, then angle between is 90 degrees, no doubt, it is in L shape. So if the two arms are in L shape, the angle between is 90 degrees, like it is first arm, this is second. If it is in L shape, then 90 degrees. If it is L shape like this L shape, 90 degrees, like this L shape, 90 degrees. Okay, whatever. If you change your L shape, then you will get 90 degrees. Then you will get 90 degrees. Then how we can say that 90 degrees? Suppose this is in L shape. These two corners are in L shape, 90 degrees. It is like this L shape. Okay. If I change like this, then it is L shape, 90 degrees. If I change like this, then you will get 90 degrees L. Okay. So rotation. So the L shape, if you change like this, whatever. If I keep like this, here 90, these two are in L shape. If I keep like this, this is in L shape. These two corners are in L shape, 90 degrees. Wherever you find L shape, then that is right angle. Right angle means two sides are perpendicular. If two rays are perpendicular, two line segments are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, then angle is 90 degrees. Okay. So till here we have 90 degrees. It is in L shape. If it is once exceed this 90, So then this is more than 90, less than 180. If the angle is more than 90, less than 180, then this angle is called obtuse angle, OAB. Suppose if we represent OA is one ray and OB is another ray, then angle OAB is obtuse angle. And how can we draw obtuse angle? So like this also we can draw. So here the angle is here, represent the angle here. This is obtuse angle. Till here we have 90 degrees. So once if you take this is more than 90, if it is more than 90, then obtuse angle. So then we can draw obtuse angle like this also. Okay. Till here we have 90 degrees in L shape. It is more than 90. So all these angles are obtuse angles. Obtuse angles. Okay. Obtuse angle means the angle between the two rays is less than 90 or greater than 90 or less than 180. In between 90 to 180. In between 90 to 180. Name some. L, O, M, O, P, Q. Any name. That's your wish. This is our obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means angle between 0 to 90 degrees. If the angle is between 0 to 90, that is obtuse angle. Straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means angle between the two rays is 180 degrees. Straight means it is completely straight like this. This is one ray. Suppose this is O, this is A. Another ray like this. This is OB. This is OA ray. This is OB ray. This is complete in a straight. This is straight angle. This angle is a straight angle. Straight angle is always equal to 180 degrees. If angle between the two rays is 180 degrees, then the angle is called straight angle. Straight angle. Suppose this is one ray, this is another ray. Suppose this is OP is a ray, OQ is another ray. So these two rays, angle between the two rays is exactly 180 degrees, then that angle is a straight angle. That angle is a straight angle. One more, if you draw one ray like this, another ray like this. This is O, L, M. Okay. Angle between these two rays is 180. It means straight means the two rays be straight. If the two rays are straight, then no doubt the angle between the two rays is 180 degrees. It means straight angle means angle between the two rays is 180. That angle is a straight angle. Okay. Reflex angle. What is reflex angle? So reflex angle means angle between the two rays is greater than 180, greater than 180 and less than 360, less than 360. Now, reflex angle means the angle is greater than 180 and less than 360, less than 360. Such angle is called reflex angle. So this is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Till here we have straight angle. So 180 degrees. If once it moves like this, then it is a what angle? Which angle? Reflex angle. If we show angle like this, this is reflex. If you show angle inside, then that is obtuse angle. So don't show angle here inside. If you show inside, then this is obtuse angle. So we have to show angle outside. Okay, this is reflex angle. Reflex angle means angle between the two rays is greater than 180, less than 360. It means the angle is in between, so 180 to 360. That angle is a reflex angle. So these two rays represent these two, O, A and B. So this is a reflex angle. This is a reflex angle. Suppose one more. So this is one ray, this is another ray. This here O, here C, D. So then So this is reflex angle. Outside angle we have to show. Don't show inside. If you show inside, that is obtuse angle. An acute angle, that is acute angle. So reflex angle means we have to show outside. So this is reflex angle. Reflex angle means angle between the two rays is less than 180 degrees, greater than 360 degrees. It means the angle should be in between 180 to 360. And one more. COD, outside angle. This angle is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means angle between the two rays should be more than 180, less than 360. Okay. Then after that, complete angle. Complete angle. So here, before that, so remember one thing, how to represent this angle. We have to show here. We have to see first. Here BOA or AOB. So this is obtuse. The representation is angle AOB. AOB. We have to take the angle alphabet in the middle. AOB or BOA. So this angle is angle LOM. LOM. Angle symbol. This angle is angle POQ. All these angles are obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. Here angles. So first this angle is angle AOB, and this angle is angle POQ. So that angle here O, the intersection point O shows our angle. That later we have to take in the middle. Angle POQ. So this angle is angle LOM. Angle LOM. Okay. Then how to represent this angle? Angle AOB. AOB. Then how to represent this angle? COD. Angle COD. And how to represent this angle? COD. Again here also COD. Angle COD. If you want to change these alphabets, that's your wish. According to our given alphabets, so what is the angle? We have to represent our angle in this way. So this is the symbol for angle, and COD or DOC, and you have same only. Okay. This is a reflex angle, this is straight angle, this is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Then after that, complete angle. Complete angle. This is one ray, OA ray. This is another ray, OB ray. So here the angle is complete. Complete angle means if the angle between the two rays is 360 degrees is equal to 360 degrees, then that angle is a complete angle. Is a complete angle. So complete angle, definition for complete angle, in a clock we have two hands. So one is hour hand, one is minute hand. If totally 3 hands were there, one is hour hand, one is minute, one is seconds. Suppose if we take hour and minutes hand, if hour hand and minutes hands, they comes together and they coincide with each other, it means they complete one rotation. If they complete one rotation means they completed 360 degrees. They completed 360 degrees. So one hand coincide with the other hand in a clock, that means the angle between that two hands is 360 degrees. In this way, the angles between these two rays is 360 degrees. 360 degrees is a complete angle. Is a complete angle. Okay. Here, how many angles we discuss? Total 6 angles. Once again we recapitulate. First, acute angle. Acute angle. What is acute angle? If angle between the two rays, if angle between the two rays is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees, it means the angle from 0 to 90, 0 to 90, then that is what angle that is? That is called acute angle. Then after that, acute angle, then right angle. So, right angle between the two rays is 90 degrees. It means if two rays are in L shape, then the angle between the two rays is 90 degrees. Then after that, the third one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means if the angle between the two rays is greater than 90, less than 180. It means from 90 to 180. If the angle between the two rays is from 90 to 180, that is obtuse angle. Then after that, fourth one, straight angle. If angle between the two rays is 180 degrees, then that is a straight angle. That is a straight angle. Straight angle is always 180 degrees. Then after that, reflex angle. If the angle is more than 180 and less than 360, it means if angle between the two rays is in between 180 to 360, then that angle is a reflex angle. Then complete angle. The sixth one, complete angle. If angle between the two rays is 360 degrees, then that is a complete angle. So, these are the total 6 types of angles. All you should remember all these 6 types. Okay. So, now the students, next concept about protractor. How to use protractor and what is actually protractor, how it is, then how to measure angle, how to construct angle using protractor. All this we are going to discuss in this concept. First, protractor. So, how the protractor in your geometry box, half circular shaped instrument. This type of instrument is there in your geometry box. Once you take out and see. So, see this type of instrument. This is the protractor. This is the protractor. So, this protractor used to measure angle, and also construct the given angle. So, this instrument used to construct the given angle, and also we have to use this to measure angle. Okay. Now, so what is there in the protractor? See here, in this protractor we have 2 types of readings. So, already we know. So, this protractor is used only to read, construct degrees. Angle means degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. Okay. Now, units for angle is degrees, already we know. Okay, already we discussed. So, what is the measurement to calculate? So, that is the degree to calculate the angles. Okay, angles are calculated, angles are measured in degrees. Okay, that is the scale to read angle. Okay. Now, see here what is there in this protractor. In this protractor, one bottom line is there. So, this bottom line, straight line is there. This is called baseline. This is called baseline. So, in the last senior protractor, see, so the line is there, that is called baseline. And after that, so one exact 90 degrees one line is there. So, this baseline and this 90 degrees line, they coincide here. So, that is the center, that is called center point of this protractor, center point of the protractor. So, what? First baseline. So, the bottom straight line is the baseline, and one, so 90 degrees line and this baseline, they intersect here. So, that intersection point is nothing but our center of this protractor. And after that, so we have 2 types of reading. So, one is in clockwise direction and other one is clockwise direction, other one is anti-clockwise direction. So, 1 degree is given in clockwise direction and another degree is given in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, so upside values are given here 0, 10, 20, 30, this clockwise direction. So, this upside given degrees are in clockwise and downside degrees are given. See in your protractor and check. So, this downward values 0, 10, 20, these are in anti-clockwise. So upside degrees are in clockwise direction and downside degrees are in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So what is there in the protector? Protector baseline is there. The intersection point is the center of this protector, and the degrees, upside degrees are in clockwise and downside degrees are in anti-clockwise. This is there in your protector. So this protector is used to construct angle and also calculate and also measure angle. So for these two purpose we use this protector. We used this protector, and angles are measured in, angles units are degrees. Angles measured in degrees. Okay. This is about protector and angle. Okay. Now the next step, next concept, using protector. So how to measure angles? See here. So this is the angle given, angle AOB or BOA. How to measure angle AOB or BOA using this protector, using the protector? First step. So in the first step, what we have to do? So here, place your baseline. This is the baseline. Place your baseline. So baseline of the protector on the arm of the angle to be measured. So this baseline. So we have to keep arm of this angle, arm of this angle, first arm, like this. This baseline should coincide with this line, this arm. Okay. So how many arms we have? OA and OB. So this baseline of your protector should coincide with this arm. Okay, like this we have to keep. Okay. Then after that, in the second point, the point at the center of the protector should be on the vertex of the angle to be measured. So here the vertex of the angle. So this center of this protector should coincide. So coincide with this vertex, and this baseline should coincide with the arm. Okay. First, this center line of the protector should coincide with the vertex, and the baseline should coincide with the baseline should coincide with the arm. So like this we have to keep our protector. So like this. Then after that, what we have to do? So then after that, if the arm, so this baseline, if the arm, this baseline, so baseline of the angle to be measured towards right. This is right side. So we are calculating from right side. If you are going to calculate from right side, we go for anti-clockwise. Means inside measurements we have to check. When we have to take inside measurements, if right side, so we are going to check from right side from like this we are going to check. If you are going to check from left side, means your arm is here on the left side, then you should take from clockwise direction. When we have to take clockwise and anti-clockwise? When this arm is on right side, then you have to go for anti-clockwise. When this arm is left side, then so you go for clockwise direction. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. When right side, so we have to check anti-clockwise, and it is on left side, then you go for clockwise direction. Okay. Here first what we have to do? So we have to keep this baseline. So baseline and this arm should coincide with each other, and the second, the intersection point of the protector should coincide with the vertex. So like this we have to keep, like this. So we have to keep. Then after that, so we have to check anti-clockwise. First 0, inside values we have to take 0, 10, 20, 30, this is at 40, this line is at 40. So it means, so the angle is 40, the second arm is at 40 degrees. Then what is the angle here? Here it is 40 degrees. So like this we have to calculate our angle. Then here angle AOB or BOA. BOA is 40 degrees. What is the angle? 40 degrees. Once again steps. First, so we have to take a protector. So this protector baseline should coincide with this arm, base arm, and the second, the center point of this protector should coincide with this vertex. Vertex should coincide with this center point of the protector, and baseline should coincide with this arm. So like this we have to keep. Then after that, if the arm is on the right side, then you take inside values. So inside values in the protector, inside values we have to take, that is anti-clockwise direction. If the arm is on left side, then you go for clockwise direction, means upper values we have to take, okay, and calculate your angle. So like this you have to calculate. Then from 0 means inside values 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. The angle is at 40 degrees. It means angle AOB or BOA is 40 degrees. This is the method to find the angle using the protector, okay.